In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Trello calendar in just 5 minutes. Trello, a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and managing projects, becomes even more powerful with the addition of the calendar feature. It helps you visualize your tasks in a timeline format, making it easier to keep track of deadlines and manage your time efficiently. Let's start by heading over to Trello's website. Open your browser and go to the Trello homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a login button. Click on it to access your Trello account. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your credentials and get yourself signed in. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Trello workspace. This is the hub where all of your boards are located, and from here you can access any project you're currently working on. Find and click on the board you want to manage using the calendar feature. In this case, it would be My Trello board. Once on your board, look towards the top right corner where you'll notice a three-dot icon. It's often referred to as the More or Options menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll want to click on the Power-Ups link. Power-Ups are Trello's way of extending the functionality of your boards, essentially adding new features and tools for you to use. With the Power-Ups menu now open, it's time to find the Calendar feature. Use the search bar to type in Calendar. Once you enter this, a few options might pop up, but you should look specifically for the Calendar Power Up option. Click on this option to open its window. After clicking, you'll be presented with a page that gives you more information about the Calendar Power Up, including how it can enhance your board's features by adding a calendar view. The beauty of this feature is in its simplicity and effectiveness at visualizing your workload. To enable it, just click on the Add button. This process will integrate the calendar power-up into your Trello board seamlessly. Now that the calendar is added, you can start utilizing it to manage your tasks better. The calendar power-up will allow you to view all the tasks with due dates in one single space. This visualization can be a game changer when managing multiple deadlines or projects. Experiment with this feature, adjust your tasks directly on the calendar, and enjoy the clarity it brings to your workflow. And that's it! Using Trello's calendar feature is a straightforward process that tremendously boosts how you organize your tasks. By following these simple steps, you can make your Trello experience more productive and efficiently manage your project timelines. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.